Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Unboxing Tomorrow side quest in electronics, robotics, and communication systems, and communications troubleshooting using the Loopback method. This is likely to be a multi-part series, and the Loopback is a logical starting point because all you need is your serial cable, a single wire, which should be capable of directly linking the TX and RX pins, a computer, and a terminal program. In this example, the terminal program is RealTerm version 2.0.0.70, and the serial cable is a UART to USB converter, like the one I featured in a recent Arduino video. Step 1, you'll need to positively identify the TX and RX pins using whatever information you have available. Keep in mind sometimes the documentation or the cable itself might be wrong, so you might need to confirm it using instrumentation. Connect the TX and RX pins, and leave everything else unconnected. Plug the cable in, and in the terminal program, you will need to identify the COM port either by elimination, Windows Device Manager, or by entering this command in the Windows PowerShell. Once you have the COM selected, you can configure the baud rate and framing, move over to the Display tab, select the data format, and after you click in the blank area, you should see the cable echo whatever you put in. And if not, this indicates a problem with the conversion cable. You can remove the bridge wire at this point, so hopefully that covers it. This is likely to become a multi-part series, so be sure to check back if you're still having problems. I'd like to thank my affiliates Satoshi Labs, maker of the Trezor cryptocurrency wallet, and also TorGuard privacy protection services. TorGuard VPN, or Virtual Private Networks, is the service that I use to reduce my exposure to online data collection, and they also supply business VPN, private email, and physical VPN routers. You can help this blog and your privacy at the same time if you use the link in the description to sign up, or use the promo code UNBOXING. Stay posted for the next update in electronics, robotics, and communication systems, and as always, have a great day.